Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the essentials: VS Code and Node. JS, open your new project folder in VS Code and create index. HTML, style, CSS, and script. JS. Once done, run npm init to create package. JSON so tools know your project. Then install a simple dev server like Live Server. It serves files and auto-refreshes the browser. Make sure to set your default shell and enable autosave. This gets you to a running local site quickly, so you can iterate and test changes immediately. Start by writing a semantic HTML skeleton: header, main, footer, link style. CSS and script. JS so behavior and styles load. Use Emmet abbreviations and enable prettier for consistent formatting. These tools save time and prevent syntax errors. Once your markup exists, style key components in CSS and add interactivity with small JavaScript functions. Then run Live Server and open the browser. Inspect elements and the console for runtime errors. If something looks off, tweak CSS rules, resave, and watch the live reload show updates instantly. When the site works locally, prepare for deployment. Compress images, minify CSS and JavaScript, and set correct relative paths so assets load on any host. Create a README with run and build commands, and test in Chrome and Firefox plus a mobile viewport. Responsiveness matters. Finally, deploy using your chosen host. If something breaks, first open DevTools. Console errors reveal missing files or syntax issues, then verify file paths, server configuration, and package scripts. Fix those, restart the server, and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.